Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. How are you? I hope everyone is fine with good health. Alhamdulillah. Anyways, tell me whether I am looking most wanted or not. Please, I have a reason to ask you, and if you watch my blog then you will come to know why did I ask that. Or am I looking too fat or like that? I don't know. But you have to comment me and tell me if I am really looking most wanted kind of most wanted or not. So you will come to know into this blog, and I am leaving as most wanted reason. So inshallah I'll catch you soon, but I'm a bit afraid because I don't like to go outside, especially in Dhaka city, and during this time I don't know how am I going to see the outside. Mainly I have become very homesick, that's more important. So please, before I lock everything, comment below, comment me if I am looking most wanted or not. It's very important for me to know. And this is our outfit. It's a peach color and a nice color, but see, I am getting I don't know why I'm having stress whenever there's a reason for me to go out, because I really don't want to, for no reason I don't go anywhere. Bismillah. And my BP gets low, so I'm having Sprite. So let me leave before it's going to be Maghrib. But don't forget to comment me if I'm looking as most wanted or not. Please, please, please. And let's see the situation, I mean whether it's traffic or not, because otherwise I might faint. This kind of issues I have. So yeah, I'll catch you soon. Where I'm going, I'll try to do vlog if allowed, and then you will know the rest of the thing. Allah Hafiz, I'll catch you soon. Mama না বলেন কত আর আমাকে ঠিক মতো নিয়ে যাবেন। আমার কোমর ভাঙা, প্রেসার লো, আর যে কোনো সময় পড়ে যেতে পারি। আমি বের হলেই আমার কাছে মনে হয় যে আমি সবসময় জিকির বিকিরে থাকি। ওটা তো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আছে, কিন্তু কত নিবেন? আমরা 40 টাকা দেব। আরে বাপরে, 40 টাকা? 30 টাকা মামা? হ্যাঁ, আর 30 টাকা নেন মামা। তারপরে হাসপাতালে আমার এমনি যেতে হবে, আর আরামে নিয়ে যান। আমার কিন্তু বিয়ে শাদী হয়নি, ঠিক আছে? বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। না না না, থাকুক, একটু বাতাস খাই, কারণ যেই অবস্থা ঢাকা শহরের, বেশি জ্যাম ট্যাম নাই তো। So finally I got the rickshaw, and let's see whether it's traffic or not. Liking it, nice weather, kind of my weather I like, because the sun is going to be set. I need to wear the mask, my dupatta. Oh my god, oh shit mama, আমি আমার চশমা নিতে ভুলে গেছি। হ্যাঁ, আবার বাসায় যেতে হবে, একটু দাঁড়াতে হবে। Guys, I'm going back because I have to get my glass. Oh, these are the things. I am always in hurry and these things happen. Hold on, I will be back after getting my chashma. Finally I forgot to get my glasses, but I didn't get the one I want. This is what happens when I am supposed to go anywhere. I'm not feel comfortable nowadays to go anywhere, especially in Dhaka city. Let's see how much traffic is that. So then I have to go in other places. So yeah, But Alhamdulillah, I got some very good rickshaw driver, but I call them Mama. He's a nice guy. As I said, it's a nice weather. Let me show you. I'm not getting that much of traffic, but yeah, too much of changes. Whenever I come out, I see all new things, because I don't know after how long. I have asked many times to my brother-in-law, tell me the place where am I going, and I went there so many times since my childhood. So this is the situation of me. Nice, not much. Oh, today is Thursday and Shab-e Mehraj. Okay. Not that much of traffic. Alhamdulillah, thank God. I have to come to buy cars. So everybody is busy. Someone is getting married. May Allah bless a happy married life. Oh, Shor Sharaba. That man is busy. So enter Dhanmondi city, the most crowded place. One of the crowded place in Dhaka city. Oh my God. मैं तो गई. Only restaurants. I don't know why. See. OMG. Can you see the traffic? I think Mama, এখানে আমি থামবো. Finally, I am done with the most wanted work that I am supposed to do, and going to other place. You will come to know where. Now the traffic has increased and the lights are going, as because it's Maghrib time. Oh my God, see the situation. I am very scared of, like, I can't come. I don't know. Oh, I couldn't take vlog. I couldn't do video over there because it was not allowed. So yeah, that's it. Most of the places here, I think they are afraid of doing vlogging and all that. Maybe because of other reason. Anyways, let me go where I'm supposed to go. So, oh my God. Oh no, come on. God. This is the reason I can't come. I don't feel like to go anywhere. Oh. Guys, I'll meet you where I'm going. So till then, for now, let me just reach the place. My work done as most wanted. You will come to know what is that.